guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing this very glowy, pretty summer makeup look. So if you want to see how I got this look, then please continue watching. Okay, so today I'm going to start off by priming my face, and I'm going to use the Smashbox photofinish water primer. Water? Whatever. But it's just really hydrating. That's what you want for a dewy, glowy look. Okay, now that I've primed, I'm going to go in with the Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector Liquid in the shade Moonstone, just on the high points of my face, just to give me a little bit more of a glow. You can really put as much as you want of this stuff, because it does get very toned down once you put on your foundation. Now I'm going to go right in with my foundation. I'm going to use the Maybelline 24-Hour Superstay. It's just the best for my skin color right now. And I forgot to wet my beauty sponge again. Okay, now I'm going to do my foundation. I'm going to just start doing my routine like normal for now. So I'm just going to conceal with my Tarte Shape Tape. And I'm going to put a little bit of my NARS on top of that. So I'm going to set all the spots that I put concealer in with my Laura Mercier powder. And also my smile lines, just because I crease pretty easily there. Now I'm going to use my damp beauty sponge to set everywhere else. Okay, now I'm going to do my eyebrows off camera and I will be right back. Okay, now I'm going to go in with bronzer, and I'm going to use the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. Now I'm just going to pinch that, and I'm going to do the sides of my nose just lightly, just because I want a little bit of color there. And right underneath to lift it up a little bit. Now I'm going to spray my face with the Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Mist, and that's going to give me just a really pretty glow all over. But I'm going to cover my eyes because it is kind of like an oil, so it'll leave little dots on your eyes and you don't want that. Okay, now that I sprayed that, you can already see like a sheen. So I'm just going to go in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Amrezy highlight, which is really pretty. It's more like a glow from within, but you can also layer it to make it even more glowy and make it pop even more. So I'm going to take that on all the normal spots. And a little bit on my shoulders and my collarbones. Because if your face is super glowy, the rest of you has to glow too, or you're just gonna look weird. So now I'm gonna layer Becca Champagne Pop over top of that. Okay, now I'm going to use Becca Champagne Pop, and I'm going to go into my inner corners. And my brow bone. Now I'm going to go in with a gloss, so I'm going to go in with the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb. Now I'm going to spray myself one more time with the Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Mist. And then also with my Morphe Setting Spray. Alright, so that's it for this makeup tutorial. So if you guys enjoyed it, then please like, comment, subscribe, turn on the bell notification to see every time I upload. Thank you guys so much for watching.